Ron from Happy Carpet Cleaners. Okay, you're vacuuming a mat, and you have no idea what's in it. So just how dirty is it? It's that dirty. But it's a mat. They're supposed to get dirty. But if you're trying to clean it, isn't it kind of good to know that you can get most of the dirt out, and you know that it's out because it stops coming in? You can see it's a lot less dirt coming in now. So if I come back here to you can tell when there's dirt coming in. And I come up here, there's not much anymore. So what do you do if you have a bag? You can't tell. You run over it back, you've ran over it a few times, and then you think, oh, okay, I got it. Nope. So I'm going to go over this a few more times. A couple different angles. I'll go at it from the back. Actually, no, it's rubber back. You can't. So I'll go over it many, a lot more times, and I'll get this thing as clean as I possibly can. Happy Carpet Cleaners, serving the South Vancouver Island. GetHappy.ca